We interrupt this program at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Denton County. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Denton to Louisville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These are destructive storms heading towards Denton, Lake Dallas, and Louisville. These storms may contain 80 miles per hour wind gusts and grapefruit-size hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for portions of Denton County that may contain 80 miles per hour wind gust and grapefruit-size hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.